Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today what I have for you, I purchased these mirror from eBay, and I'm gonna install them on my motorcycle. That comes with the bike, and I purchased these ones from eBay. They're much smaller, and what you have here is that you have the fittings. So you get these fittings, so I'm gonna install them onto the bike. So this is a tool that I'm gonna use to loosen the mirror to take the original one off. So the mirror come with this washer, and they also provide me with some screws, but I'm gonna use my original screw because they work. Right, so I'm just gonna use my original screw. Hopefully I can see through these mirrors when I install them because they're pretty small, and I will make sure that I put a link in the description if someone interested in ordering. Also, what they did is you can adjust the mirror accordingly, right? So I'm gonna adjust it, and hopefully I'll see if they worked, if it will work, if I can see through them. I don't know. And this is how. So when you're not riding the motorcycle, you can keep it this way, and then whenever you're riding and you want to see, or whenever you're riding, then you can release it this way. I'm just gonna have to test it to see if I can see behind me. And guys, I will be putting a link in the description for you guys if you're interested in purchasing it for your motorcycle. And this is a 2021 Kawasaki ZX636R. Okay. So I'm just testing out to see if I can see behind me, and I think you have to like maybe get used to it. Okay, but I think I can see behind, but I'll test it out also, and I'll let you guys know how they work. Guys, this is how you change your mirrors, and I will be putting a link in the description if you guys want to purchase one for your motorcycle.